All right, what did we do to get the trunk undone, huh?
We put a screwdriver in it and shoved it up.
We used this and then we pried on what?
And broke the lock.
This weird latch thing was jammed, and I think we bent the trunk lip big time prying up on it so hard. But we did get it going, and we found the discharge line for the air conditioning, accumulator, a little muffler. What else we got there? Oh, show them what else we got out of this box.
I don't know.
We found rally side stripe things. A bunch of weird. Oh, old sending unit. Some bracket, which probably is not on the car anymore. And what else? The gas tank. Let's get that out of there, huh, bud? All right. Found these steel plates. We don't know what they go to, other than it says back panel window, driver's side, and the other one says passenger side. No, it doesn't say anything, but I'm assuming. The reason our latch didn't want to work is... All right, we're on day 2, 1974 Challenger. And where we last left off is I got the back wheels off and the drums off. And I'm going to start using this Harbor Freight Sawzall. And we're going to start cutting out old shocks, old shackles, anything that is rotten and can't be undone with wrenches. We're gonna saw it out of there. So take a look now. Try to do a little before and after. It's pretty, this stuff's pretty bad shape. And we're gonna cut it out of there. Well, 6 Sawzall blades later, we got the exhaust cut out from, I don't know, middle of the car back. All the brackets, the original rubber straps, or almost look like they're canvas. What else? We was able to get the sway bar bracket cut, the shocks support, and the back shackle cut. The front one isn't able to get a blade in there, so I'm gonna have to actually drop the whole bracket down, and the bolts look like they're not gonna come out. So we will continue demoing next couple weeks. This is to helps eat rust. And this car is all rust. But basically, Ryder, all this stuff here we need to take apart. So do like that. Like really soak every bolt and thread, so we can try maybe to take some of this stuff apart. Okay, bud? There we go. Do some on the top. Yeah, we gotta aim, buddy. There we go. Do some on this side. Do this thing. Without spraying my phone. So get a little closer. You're missing a lot. There we go. I mean, we have 6 cans of this. So. All right. Yeah, do that. What else? Spray the brakes itself. Like all that, because we're gonna have to take that apart. All right, do this side.
What's bad about old brakes?
Old brakes? They're dangerous, that's why. Here, do these shackles up there. Dude, hold on, you don't gotta go like apart, just like this. And the top ones. Okay, let's do this. We don't need that. We're gonna get rid of that muffler. Here, come over, do these side too. Well, just where the bolts are, buddy. Yeah, at the top too. You see there's a set at the top. No, that's the frame. Hold on. Like that. Okay, go on the other side and spray that.
So should I do everything?
Oh, hold on. Right here. The top of that. Good job, dude. All right, so what else can we do? Let's go.
Everything?
Everything that's a nut. Yeah. Okay. Look under here. The front of those leaf springs. They'll have nuts and shackles on them too. Okay. Just give it a good spritz where the bolt and the threads are. Okay. All right. See any other bolts you need to spray in there? Why don't you go to the other side, huh? All right. Cool. Well, after an hour of beating on this drum, it wouldn't come off. I realized I still had the emergency brake on. So wouldn't you believe, I went and turned off the emergency brake, and it quite literally almost fell off the second I touched it. I'm an idiot. I'm not cleaning these to plan on reusing anything in here, but I do want to have a slightly cleaner removal of them. Also trying to see how bad of shape they are, so I can decide if I need an entire new like brake assembly, the backing plate and all that, or if I can leave that all on the rear and just get new pads and springs and wheel cylinders and stuff like that. It is, there ain't much brake left there, but it was enough to grab a hold of this stupid drum. Ugh. So, we're out of jack stands. So we only have the back half of the car up, front still sitting on flats. And we went ahead and we're trying to see if this motor is stuck or not stuck. And I couldn't get to it, so I took off the fan blade, took off the AC compressor. And I've learned by Googling that the nut on the bottom of that crank is 1 1/8 inches. The only thing I have that's 1 1/8 inches is this, which does not want to reach back in there. So we came up with something here. I think it's gonna work, but I'm not 100%. I'm gonna go ahead and set my phone up here and see if you guys can see how this works for us. Put it on this way, get a good bite on it, maybe. On there, and use a big crescent wrench, and I'm gonna try to grab it. That, and look at that, it does go. Not particularly easily, but it went. So we might have a chance of saving or using this motor while it stays in the car. So this means we're gonna attempt to get this thing running in the car. I'm gonna order a eBay carburetor and a little Mopar mini starter and a couple small things, and we're gonna see if we can crank on this thing. In the meantime, I'm gonna pull these plugs and fill them all up with ATF and still let it soak. But I didn't even do that to get it to turn over right there. I maybe got half of a rotation. I'm gonna try to get it to go all the way around. I don't know if it'll go, but I'm gonna try.